In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see time in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working in DaVinci Resolve and you want to check the time on your timeline, this is a very quick setting to find, and it's useful because it helps you read your project in a standard time format, instead of another display style that may be less familiar. To begin, go to your timeline and look toward the top left area of the timeline section. This is where DaVinci Resolve shows the current timeline position. In many cases, you'll already see the time displayed there. If that's the case, then you're all set. The time shown in that area is what you'll use to track where you are in your edit, whether you're reviewing a clip, placing a cut, or checking exact timing. If you don't see regular time there, the display may be set to a different format. For example, instead of showing timecode, it might be showing timeframes. That can happen depending on how the project or interface is currently set up, so don't worry if it looks a little different than expected. To change it, simply right-click on that time display in the top left area of the timeline. A small menu should appear. From that menu, choose Timecode. Once you select it, the display will switch, and you'll be able to see the time in the standard timecode format. This is especially helpful if you're following tutorials, matching edit notes, or communicating timestamps with someone else, since timecode is usually the format people expect when talking about exact positions in a video. It also makes navigation easier when you need precision during editing. So just remember, check the top left section of your timeline, see whether the time is already visible, and if it isn't in the format you want, right-click and select timecode. That's all it takes. This is one of those small DaVinci Resolve settings that can save you confusion later, especially if you're new to the interface or switching from another editing program. Once you know where to look, it becomes second nature, and that's it. Now you know how to see time in DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily.